correction notice. I have been receiving a lot of emails and text messages regarding these notices because what's happening now, the state of Illinois is keeping the refunds of people who are self-employed. So to address this, because you do not have to have your refund forfeited and you do not have to allow the state to keep your refund, you simply need to provide the state of Illinois with documentation or your records of how you calculated your business income and how you calculated your business expenses. So to begin with, not everyone, I guess, believes in a bank account. So there's no law that says that you have to have your money in a bank account where you have bank account statements. The cash accounting method can literally mean cash, where I could charge $100 for, a hairstyle. And I just put down in my little Google notebook $100, or someone sends me a cash app for $100, or I guess PayPal. There are a lot of different ways. Even Square, I think they allow people to send you money. But whatever method I choose, I do not have to have QuickBooks. I don't have to have Wave accounting and the profit and loss and the balance sheets. It's always good to have these things, but if you do not have them, that does not mean that you have to forfeit your income. So what a lot of clients are doing, a lot of my clients, you're going to reconstruct your income, and that may be us having to look at your appointment book list. That may be us having to look at, okay, well, on this day, did you write receipts to your clients? And you don't have to have a fancy electronic receipt. You could actually have a receipt that you hand wrote. And a lot of people that I deal with, they're actually using Cash App. So we can't take screenshots of Cash App transactions and send them to the IRS. So here again, in this case, you work with a tax preparer that can help you document your, income as it came in, and then you definitely want to keep receipts for your expenses. That's one of the biggest issues that I find with a lot of self-employed people. They do not keep receipts, and if they do keep receipts, they don't say what the business purpose was and who they did business with. So for example, if I come into your office and I have a receipt for $500 to Walmart, okay, great. That could be for household items. That could have been for some event. And I could tell you all day long that, well, this was a business expense when I remodeled a house on the east side. But if I don't document that, then it's not going to be allowed by either the IRS or the state of Illinois. So if you need some help with, restructuring your income, you can contact our office, Howard Tax Prep LLC. But your tax preparer, the person that you're actually paying to do your tax return, they should be able to help you reconstruct your income and then show you the proper way so that going forward, you'll actually know how to structure your business income, your business expenses, and you'll know what you need to document your income. Lastly, let's just say you don't even have a computer. I actually have people who write down in an old spiral notebook, the things you get from school, or even something like this, where I can put in so many hair appointments for today, or Trudy came in for a new wig, and Jesse came in for a haircut, and etc. And you just write down the date. It's always great if you can have your clients sign a sign-in sheet, because remember, with the IRS and with the state of Illinois, they do not believe you unless you can prove it. And I remember years ago, I would always say, oh, well, this is going on. And somebody told me, it's not what you know, is what you can approve. So it's not what you know, it's what you can prove. And that definitely applies to the IRS in the state of Illinois. So again, stop just letting the state of Illinois keep your money. You don't have to do that. You can reconstruct your income, reconstruct your expenses, and you send it in. And again, you may not have a website. You may be advertising via word of mouth. You may use, word of mouth. What's that? Business cards, flyers. I've seen promoters. They have all these little flyers in the different restaurants. So again, if you need some help, you can contact me. My number will be, on this video. I think I'll put a link there. If not, you can just Google Howard Tax Prep LLC and you will call us, and I will give you, the list that you need, or I can give you an Excel spreadsheet that will help you track